Employee surveys and ways to tackle employee engagement crowd the marketplace. They have for years. Why then hasn't employee engagement seen any improvement in the 20 years Gallup has tracked it? Experts say doing the same things, expecting different results, is the definition of insanity. I guess it doesn't apply to experts though. Plain and simple, employee engagement is in a crisis. Don't these results say it's time to re-examine how we look at the problem, how we've defined it, the assumptions we've used to support it? After all, these drive how people see employee engagement. They drive solutions too. If you believe it's time for a fresh approach rather than continuing the insanity, go to my post, Understanding Employee Engagement and Its Drivers.